Peeps, we are back and we are here to give you all the details on all the events coming to Busch Gardens Williamsburg in 2022. With an event almost every weekend, there's more to do at the park than ever before. So let's take a look. First up, with Busch Gardens Christmas Town wrapping up on January 2nd, following that, weekends from January 8th through January 23rd and Martin Luther King Jr. Day will feature Busch Gardens Winter Weekends event. If you didn't get a chance to go to Christmas Town and see the millions of twinkling lights, most of them will be up during winter weekends during the night. You'll also still have a chance to do the Frosty meet and greet. This year, Winter Weekends features animal experiences with conservation ambassadors, trainer talks, and even an upcharge option for brunch with the animals. In addition, each weekend will feature performances from local bands, such as Blair's West Band, Snap, and fan favorite The DeLoreans. Other special entertainment options include performances from the Killarney Village Band and a sunny day celebration in the Sesame Street Forest of Fun. Coasters and rides will also be open during the event, depending on weather conditions. When Winter Weekends ends, Busch Gardens Williamsburg kicks off Mardi Gras, a limited-time food, cocktails, entertainment, and live music event weekends from January 28th through February 27th. And in March, we get the return of Busch Gardens Williamsburg's St. Patrick's Day celebration, weekends from March 4th through March 27th. The event will feature Irish food and beverage in Killarney Village, and perhaps most importantly, Busch Gardens' new roller coaster Pantheon is currently scheduled to open in March 2022, and they decided to tease the event with POV footage of the ride. Let's check that out now. Following the St. Patrick's Day celebration, Busch Gardens' other events include Sesame Street Kids Weekends, weekends from April 1st through April 24th. The return of one of our favorite events, Busch Gardens Food and Wine Festival, weekends from April 28th through June 12th. Busch Gardens After Dark and Fireworks event, Summer Nights, weekends from June 17th through August 14th. Beer Fest to quench your thirst in the late summer, weekends from August 12th through September 5th, followed by your favorite event, and ours, howl-o-scream, select nights from September 9th through October 31st. During the daytime, you can enjoy the family-friendly event The Count's Spooktacular on weekends from September 24th through October 31st. And finally, the return of Busch Gardens Williamsburg's Christmas Town on November 11th through January 1st, 2023. Now, more event details for each of these will be revealed closer to time, so make sure you've subscribed to the channel, hit that little notification, it's the little bell icon, so you can be notified when we release more coverage of each of these events and more. And while you're down there, you might as well hit that thumbs up button, give us a like on this video. Thank you all for watching, and we look very forward to seeing you around the park in 2022.